Little Uggy is right here. Bloop. Here you go. There we go. Get the last one out there. Maybe.
Come on, I already broke it free.
The angle on the dangle.
Damn it, that's right. It's a fucking 15, not a 14.
Oops. Ooh, bring me an orange one.
Motherfucker.
Celsius time. I spilled my first one.
Oh, that's what you get.
There we go. What's the funniest shit you ever... Wow. That thing really doesn't like you.
Well, alright, I'll do this the hard way.
Hey. Yeah, Xander, thanks. That's quality. Quality footage.
Oh, that's the worst thing that's been done.
No, not even today.
You know, at least at my old job, they were just looking at you while you were working. And
Yeah.
now we have Bobby just staring at me, videoing me while I'm working.
Well, I mean, it's not like you're rubbing one out on camera. I'm pretty sure people would pay for that, though. Bell housing bolts are coming out. Just a couple more to go. We'll have the trans out.